Will Lifecycle fully replace my CRM, my current CRM? Well, what does your current CRM do for you? In one of the other frequently asked questions, we already covered the idea of property management. So putting that to the side for a minute, the current CRMs are there to carry out a transaction. So will I be able to book a viewing? Yes. Will I be able to look at a calendar? Yes. Will I be able to get feedback from that viewing? Yes. In fact, Lifecycle will do it automatically for you. Will I be able to book market appraisals? Yes. In fact, Lifecycle will send a web-based trackable presentation so you can see whenever that vendor is online looking at anything of interest so you know when to follow up. Will I be able to put offers in? Yes. Will it send emails out confirming the offers? Yes. Will I be able to do sales progression? Yes. In fact, when it hits completion, the new buyer will go into a sequence whereby every year they'll get an email saying, hey, it's been another year since you bought this property. Do you want to know what it's worth? So yes, you'll be able to do all of that side of things, but Lifecycle is looking at the bigger picture for an estate agent. There is no archive, there is no waster inside Lifecycle. Lifecycle is automatically qualifying people. It knows who's first-time buyers, who's downsizers, who are investors. It knows if they need a mortgage. It knows if they've got a house to sell in the area you cover. It's automatically pushing content to them, and it's automatically then pulling that information together and putting a list together saying to your staff, you might want to talk to these people. This guy registered as a buyer 3 years ago, said he had a house to sell in one of our top roads, and he's just been on your website reading what to do if you're thinking about selling your house this month. So yes, it will replace your CRM, but if you're just looking for a CRM, then perhaps Lifecycle is not what you're looking for, because you're going to look at Lifecycle and look at the prices of a basic CRM and think to yourself, oh, I don't know, it's a lot more expensive. That's not the right comparison. We're talking about an entire marketing system. Go and look at some of those systems and then go and look at the prices of CRMs and add them together, compare it with that, and you'll see actually this isn't just going to replace your CRM, it's going to totally transform your business.